Hey everyone, today we're going to be looking at some basic string trimmer maintenance that you can do yourself. Regular maintenance on all your outdoor power equipment will help ensure that it runs properly all season long. It can also help extend the life of your equipment, saving you time and money in the long run. If you find that any of the parts you're inspecting need to be replaced, you can visit our website at ereplacementparts.com. All you need is your model number. The first thing you're going to want to do before you begin this maintenance routine is to drain your trimmer of any fuel that may be left over from last season. Drain the fuel into a clean container so you can check for any dirt and debris in the fuel tank. If it's dirty, you can flush it out a few times before you fill it back up again. With the fuel drained, the first thing you'll want to look at is the air filter. Open up the case and simply make sure that the air filter isn't too dirty or damaged. You can clean the air filter using soap and water, but if it won't come clean or the filter is damaged, we can help you with a new one on our website. Next, take a look at your carburetor. You can remove the cover to help you get a better view of it. Make sure the purge bulb isn't cracked or damaged. Then make sure the choke and the throttle cable aren't damaged and that they work the way they're designed to. At this point, you can give your carburetor a once over using some carb cleaner. Once the carburetor is clean, it's time to look at the starter rope. Inspect it to make sure it's not frayed or damaged, and if it is, check out our website for a replacement. Next, turn your attention to the muffler. You'll have to remove the cover to get access to the muffler and spark arrestor. Again, you're looking for any signs of damage or wear. If it looks good, you can move on. If not, you'll need to replace them. At this point, check your spark plug. Remove it and check for any wear or corrosion. It's a good idea to replace the spark plug at the beginning of every season to make the startup process as easy as possible. Don't forget to check the spark plug boot for any signs of damage as well. Now that the engine components have been dealt with, you can start looking at the trimmer head. Start by checking the guard for any cracks or damage. You'll also want to make sure that there's no caked on grass or debris. Next, check the trimmer head itself. Inspect it for any signs of damage and replace it if necessary. You'll also want to check that the bump feed system is working like it's supposed to, and install some fresh trimmer line. Make sure when you're installing new line to follow the manufacturer's instructions so you don't install too much line. Those are the basic steps you'll want to take at the beginning of each season to ensure that your string trimmer works its best. Maintenance routines like this may seem unnecessary, but believe us, they'll save you a ton of headaches in the future. As always, if you need any of the parts that you saw replaced today, visit our website at ereplacementparts.com. And if you have any questions about this or any other lawn equipment or power tools, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a thing.